It's the turning point. Okay. It's the turning point in the hero's journey. We can't go back to how we've been once we hit that opening square. But this is the opening square where we're still very conditioned by our past. We've only just left, right? And we're still battling it to some degree, right? The, the opening square is an aspect about individuation. We have to make a decision to take action, but it's rarely on our own terms, right? This is why this square is referred to as the crisis in action. It's this first square, it represents kind of like a loss of innocence, a rupture in harmony. It's our first harsh confrontation with the world. It's where we begin to understand that there's other viewpoints and perspectives, and we learn to adapt, right, to the world that we live in. It's, as we all know, that the square is a challenging aspect. It manifests as conflicts with the environment, like we said. So the thing to remember about the square is that the conflict that we're experiencing is meant to force our hand in some way. We're being forced to choose to take action rather than succumb to stagnancy, like our old stories about ourselves, or fear, right? So we can think of this opening square and its relationship to the fourth house. Because if we had a planet in the first house, the square would be in the fourth house. So that's kind of the bottom of our chart. And this is, where we're asked at the stage is to, emerge from the womb and to stand on our own 2 feet to some degree, where we're facing the world now as a true individual rather than merely as this person that's a specimen of our lineage and our family.